Well, eBay listing gave me 3 calculators. Been collecting some pieces. If you remember the video for the Dick Smith digital clock kit, well, I've been on lookout for a display to replace in that clock, and it was JRC, or Japanese Radio Corporation, Panaplex display in that clock, and I wanted to find something identical or close. Well, I thought I had identical, but it turns out it's close. So we have here 8-digit displays in these Cannon Canola L810 calculators. I have 3 of them. Here represented on the bench are 2, one together, the other one pulled apart. So let's zoom in and take a look at the display. Eight digits, and it looks like it's on a ceramic backer. That is actually a Hitachi display. What I was looking for was Stephonics, or JRC, Japanese display, J4929A. And you can see this one was overdriven for a while. So I also need to look into that to see why this clock overdrove the display. My suspicion is it was probably plugged into 240, and it looks like on the board, screen printing says 200 volts AC. So we're going to have to look into that. But in the meantime, we did find a display that'll work. I'll probably incorporate this edge connector into the clock. The traces or connections on the display board have been soldered in on this one, and they're on the wrong side compared to the replacement we're going to use. But with the edge connector, it's sit back on a 45-degree angle. I think I may be able to cut it and trim it and finesse it, and the goal is to bring this classic Dick Smith Electronics, Tricky Dick's Australian clock here back to life. Alright, I will keep you updated. That's all for now. See you soon.